So as you can see, we have successfully installed all 6 panels. So now it's for the wiring. Now wiring up the panels are a little bit tedious. Now let's do a little bit of calculation. I said I have 6 panels. One of my panel is 275 watts. Multiply by 6 give you 1650 watts. Right? Are you with me so far? Good. The power source is between 38.3 31.3. Now take it in consideration that I live in a sunny island, so I'm going to go with 38.3 volts. For the amps, one panel giving me 8.77 amps. Good. Are your mathematics going good so far? Now if I series up 3 of these panels, I will be getting 115 volts. So it stands to reason if I connect up all 6 together, I'll be getting 230 volts and 8.7 amps. But I don't want that. I am looking for approximately 150 volts and somewhere around 25 amps. So I think I come up with a solution. I am going to series 2 panel. So follow along with the diagram that I'm going to show on screen. So I'm going to have 2 panels in series. Then I'm going to parallel 2 of those series, which is going to give me 72 volts. Then connect one of those 72 volts. So now we have 3 set of panels and they are in 72 volts. But I still need my 150 volts. So now we're going to parallel 2 bank of 72, which is not going to give us 72 no more. Once we series parallel 1 bank, it becomes 72 and it's only 4 panel. So 4 panel now is going to give us 72 by 17.5 amps. We still haven't get our 150 volts nor our 25 amps. So these 2 sets of panel that have not been used, that's still in series, we're going to now series them to the bank of 72. And now we have 144 volt, 26.3 amps. This is a great chance to remind you to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. A real large portion of our viewers have not subscribed to the channel. So take a quick second to click that subscribe button so you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. You definitely don't want to miss any of them. Let's get back. Alright, so for the wiring, we're just going to get ourselves underneath here. And this is red for this side. We're going to ignore that one. And we are going to go red and black. Red and black right down the line. So if you can see, that's what's going on right now. The wires are red and black at the moment. So our next connection is going to be red to red and black to black. This is the 2 string from the 2 set of panels. Let's have 2 black and have 2 red. I'm just going to combine them. A little bit of maneuvering, a little bit of manhandling to get this wire inside the box. Because it's so thick, it takes a lot for it to get in. But nevertheless, we finally get it there and we can screw it in. The blue one didn't give any trouble, it just slid right in like it's perfectly know that's where it's supposed to be. So I thought it was more important to run a bigger wire from the solar to my breaker box downstairs, which is 3 stories down. And I'm using a bigger wire. I mean, it's overkill, but I'd rather to be safe than unsafe. This wire is 13 gauge wire, and I thought it was better for it to take all that voltage and all that amps coming out of this panel from there. So I still want it to be more safely, so I'm running these wires through the pipe just for extra safety. This should be out of sight, out of mind, and I don't want anything wrong when I'm not at home or nowhere here to find out. Oh no, I didn't forget about ground. At this height, you have to ground your system. And so my ground contains of these grounded wire, and I'm grounding the 2 middle rails. From the middle rail, I will ground the hen rail and take this down to ground to a ground spike. After securing the wire to the pipe on the side of the house or side of the building, which is a long way down, I then go down and ground it to the pipe that I already drive into the ground 6 feet down, and clamp it, and voila, that's my grounding. And as you can see, from a long way up, I have run solar wire in some piping straight down to my apartment. On the ground, I then now secure the wire tightly to the solar pipe that I've already installed on the side of the roof. And this is the reason why I'm using a coated wire, because I just wanted to secure the wire to a pipe. Guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Just subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos.